Delegate of Italy, please unmute yourself and speak. Okay, so moving on, we will proceed further the unmoderated caucus. All the delegates are requested to continue with their topics for and against with the topics, but do maintain the decorum of the topic. Do respect each other.
Good afternoon. Uh, shall I continue with my topic?
Yeah, sure. All the delegates are requested to do take care that their video is on before speaking. It is compulsory to keep the video on as it is the part of your scorings.
Sure.
Delegate of Italy, please start.
So I had just rested my topic regarding the need for revolutionary schooling in for the overall for physically and mentally healthy children. Would the other to have do the other delegates have any query regarding this or any questions? They may please proceed.
Delegate of China would like to ask the delegate of Italy. The biggest crisis after World War was termed the Italy's crisis, which just happened. Like COVID-19 was the biggest crisis after World War, but yet Italy is trying to say that the problems of modernizing or developing of education is more important. Why was Italy not even uh, sufficient to help its people while the COVID-19 happened? Was the education more important than the health of people, that the health of people wasn't taken care of? Thank
Thank you to the delegate of China. The main reason for Italy's crisis, COVID-19 crisis, was obviously the rapid tourism in the rapid spread of tourism industry across Italy, which it is thankful to for the economy because more than 50% of the economy depended upon it. But and at the same time, this was a little. Italy soon realized that this was a little harmful for the health of the citizens since there was an imbalance between all the uh, the tourism and all the overall development of the people. So after that, Italy was first having an agreement with China regarding expansion of airlines and more travel in Italy. But after that, Italy had slowly made pacts with the different nations regarding stopping these travel and tourism. So these were the main health measures regarding that. Because apart from that, Italy couldn't do much because Italy is a very small nation, and accordingly, it had to act to protect its people more than its economy. So there were sufficient measures for health taken. Obviously, we could perform better in the first half of COVID-19, where we were facing many deaths. But after that, Italy learned much from its experience and took necessary measures.
The answer. Thank you, the delegate of Italy.
Delegate from Brazil. One question noted against. Why Italy was a downgrade at no present situation? The present of coronavirus this situation, how much the downgrade and why these sessions of the amidst of COVID-19?
Sorry, didn't get your question very well. Can you repeat?
Okay. Delegate from Brazil, one question noted against. Why Italy was a downgrade in this present situation of coronavirus after the all average or many or neither nations or like that Brazil or China, etc. So comparison, Italy was a downgrade. Why?
So the delegate of Brazil is trying to say that Italy had a worse situation than its neighboring countries in regards to the
In
spread
all
of the
the
virus.
comparison, other countries.
Yes, because Italy is blessed with its capital, Rome, which is a very amazing tourist spot, which should be visited by everyone once. But the main problem the rapid was it undermined the situation in the beginning, as mentioned earlier. Didn't It was first contained only. The virus spread was contained only in Lombok, which is a famous town in Italy, for the first 2 months. But after that, when it started spreading in the whole country, it spread like a wildfire. It spread very fast, which Italy was unable to decipher. After that, although Italy immediately announced lockdown at March 5, which was followed by sufficient control over the crisis.
Okay, thank you from Brazil for your replying Italy.
The delegate of China would want to ask again to Italy, when you say that 50% of the economy is being supported by the tourism, why don't means how after this, when you have cut through all the tourism activities, how will you support the economy? Because economy is one of the most greatest uh, part of children's welfare also. So, what is the next plan, or what's the coming up factors that you would use as to protect your country against economic crisis? Thank you.
So Italy was first, as stated earlier, Italy was majorly dependent on tourism industry, and COVID-19 had taken a big toll on Italy's economy. After that, Italy had devised since the beginning of April to 2020, Italy has devised many ways to regenerate its economy, but it was not fruitful. However, however, after June 2020, Italy spiked up on its measures for airports and places like that. For just a minute. For having more security and instant airport checkings. Suppose if a person tests positive for the virus, he or she is quarantined for 3 weeks and is not allowed to travel the country. I mean, they test 2 weeks, each of a day after. Along with that, he has started accepting tourism from USA, which is because USA is such US because of the main hygiene conditions strictly followed by residents. And although it is not open to Britain, which he initially announced no travel situation for Maldives because of the spread of the virus. He has opened just for a few countries which he recognized are important for development of the economy, especially Milan, especially for towns like cities like Milan, Rome, and Lubbock, because they constitute because they are asked their main hubs of fashion industry and the season design. So
For the answer, but your voice was not clear, so I was unable to understand what you really replied. But yet, thanks for the answer, and hope that if possible, you would really reply what you say. Thank
just give me a minute. The internet here is a little poor. I have a little poor net connection here.
Is the discussion done? Shall we proceed to unmoderated caucus?
Okay, just fine. So, as answered by asked by the delegate of China, Italy has major fashion hubs, and therefore it is open to the countries like USA and many other Western countries, but it is still yet to open up for its neighboring countries like Britain and France, where the virus spread is yet to be controlled fully with optimal measures for the virus. Thank you.
you. Delegate of China is satisfied with the answer of delegate of Italy. Thank you.
Shall we proceed with moderated caucus?
Sure.
Okay. So proceeding with unmoderated caucus, I would request our chairperson, Mr. Dhiru sir, to please grant us the permission to move forward.
कंटिन्यू थैंक यू विशाल कंटिन्यू करें
Thank you for the permission, sir. Now we proceed with unmoderated caucus. I request all the members to proceed with their discussions, but do maintain the decorum and respect all the delegates.
Greetings from delegate of China to delegate of Brazil. I had a question that Venezuelan families who crossed the borders, many of them with children and babies, were not supported by Brazil. While they were all your children and your people, why weren't they supported by Brazil and your governance?
देखिए, ब्राजील यूनिसेफ से पूरी कोशिश करे यूनिसेफ की टीम के वो जितना हो सके उतना बच्चे और उनके माता के लिए मतलब पेरेंट्स के लिए जितना हो सके उतनी मदद करेंगे। वो कोशिश पे जारी है कि उनका सबका दुनिया में मतलब कि ब्राजील के सभी लोगों का वो कुछ अच्छा करे, जैसे कि पोषण हो, फिर उनका खाना हो, फिर उनके कपड़े का क्लोथिस कुछ भी हो, वो सब यूनिसेफ की मदद, टीम की मदद से वो पूरी कोशिश कर रहे हैं।
The delegate of China would like to repeat the Venezuelan migrants, जो लोग वेनेजुएलन से आए थे ब्राजील में अपने बच्चों के साथ, उनका ध्यान क्यों नहीं रखा गया था जबकि वो आपके खुद के लोग थे?
ओके, देखिए वो वहां से आए थे तो उनके भी रीजंस थे कि वो वहां से ब्राजील में आए थे, ठीक है। तो ब्राजील में आके भी उन लोगों को कुछ होगा ऐसे कि वो लोग कुछ कर सके, उनके लिए कुछ उम्मीद होती है ब्राजील के लिए। तो ब्राजील वाले भी पूरी कोशिश करेंगे कि उनके लिए कुछ अच्छा कर सके, कि उनकी मदद कर सके।
वही कोशिश क्यों नहीं की गई थी?
क्या प्लीज रिपीट?
आपके लोगों ने कोशिश क्यों नहीं की थी कि हम जो लोग हमारे खुद के हैं उनका ध्यान रखें? उनका ध्यान क्यों नहीं रखा गया था जबकि वो आप ही के नेशन में आए थे और आपकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बनती थी कि आप उनका ध्यान रखें?
उनको यहाँ पे वो लोग यहाँ पे आए क्यों? उनको यहाँ पे आने की जरूरत क्या पड़ी कि वो लोग यहाँ पर आए? और जब वो लोग यहाँ पर आए तो फिर उन लोगों को, तो वहां से भी वो लोग ऐसे थे कि वो लोग वहां के होके वहां के लिए साइड ले रहे थे। तो ब्राजील वाले फिर उनके कैसे कर सकते? ब्राजील वाले कैसे फिर वो हाथ बढ़ा सकते जबकि वो उनकी कोशिश, उनकी मदद वहां के लोग, और वो वहां के लिए जब कुछ करते हैं तो वो ब्राजील के लिए कैसे कुछ कर सकते हैं?
वेनेजुएला के माइग्रेंट्स मतलब आपके खुद के
एक
नेशन
जगह से, हाँ वो तो मैं समझ गई आपका क्वेश्चन,
वापस आए थे,
लेकिन मैं,
आप ही के घर में वापस आए थे तो उनका ध्यान
हाँ
रखा गया था। वो दूसरों के यहाँ काम नहीं करते, वो आप ही के लिए काम करते और आपसे ही काम
हाँ
करते।
हाँ मैं समझ गई आपका क्वेश्चन, लेकिन मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ वो आप नहीं समझ पा रहे हो। मैं ऐसे बोल रही हूँ कि जैसे वो लोग ब्राजील में, ठीक है, तो जबकि वो दूसरी जगह से आए, ठीक है, वापस यहाँ पर आए ब्राजील में, लेकिन जब वो दूसरी जगह से वो वहां के लिए कर रहे हैं, वो ब्राजील का सपोर्ट खुद नहीं करे तो ब्राजील वाले फिर कैसे उनका सपोर्ट कर सकते हैं? फिर ब्राजील वाले कैसे हेल्प करेंगे उनकी? जबकि वही ब्राजील से कुछ नहीं लाना चाहते, कुछ नहीं पाना चाहते, तो फिर ब्राजील वाले क्या कर सकते हैं?
The people in Venezuela were in great need of the help from Brazil, but the people in Brazil did not help them. This was a contradictory statement which the nation said, while they say that the people of Venezuela does not really belong to us, but they did, as they were migrants from Brazil to Venezuela. So it was the mere responsibility of the country Brazil, but it did not take care of it. It cannot just respond that the migrants should not aren't responsibility of them, because the people are the only responsibility government has to take care of. So I'm not yet satisfied with the answer yet. Thank you for responding. Thanks, Brazil.
ओके, थैंक यू।
The delegate of China would like to ask Japan. A recent survey had seen that the children of pandemic want to see what is the exact situation of COVID-19. Why is Japan not giving the correct and mere information about COVID-19 to its children? आपके बच्चे जापान से पूछा जा रहा है कि आपके जो बच्चे हैं उनको जानना है कि कोविड-19 की सिचुएशन क्या है और उसमें क्या किया जाता है क्या नहीं, पर जापान उन्हें सही और पूरी इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं दे रहा है। ऐसा क्यों है?
जापान में बच्चों को कोरोना वायरस से लगती हुई पूरी इंफॉर्मेशन दी जा रही है। बच्चे सेफ रहे इन सिचुएशन में, उनको उनकी हेल्थ बिल्कुल सही रहे, इसलिए न्यूज़पेपर, टीवी, अन्य कई ऐसे माध्यम हैं जिसकी वजह से उनको बताया जा रहा है कि कोरोना वायरस में अपनी हेल्थ को आप आप कैसे ठीक रखें, आप कोरोना वायरस से कैसे बचें, इसके कोरोना वायरस से लगती हुई सभी जानकारी बच्चों को दी जा रही है। लेकिन कुछ ऐसे इश्यूज होते हैं जैसे कि बच्चे को ज्यादा लगता है कि कोरोना वायरस से हम ज्यादा, वो लोग इंफॉर्मेशन हम उसे देंगे तो वो लोग ज्यादा डिप्रेस हो जाएंगे। इस तरह से डिप्रेशन से भी उनको वो उनकी हेल्थ खराब हो सकती है। इसलिए बच्चों को ज्यादा माहिती कोरोना वायरस के बारे में अतिशयोक्ति करके नहीं दी जा रही है कि वो उनकी हेल्थ बिगड़ जाए, वो डिप्रेस हो जाए। इसलिए जिस माहिती की कोरोना वायरस के बारे में उनको जरूरत है वही माहिती उसको दी जा रही है, ताकि सिर्फ वो अपनी हेल्थ को सेफ रख सके और अच्छे से रह सके बिना किसी बीमारी, उनको कोई बीमारी ना हो।
जिस माहिती की जरूरत है वो भी नहीं दी जा रही है, ऐसा एक सर्वे कह रहा है। बच्चों के साथ एक सर्वे हुआ था जिसमें जापान के लोगों ने देखा कि बच्चे चाहते हैं कि उन्हें सारी जानकारी दी जाए, पर जानकारी मिल नहीं रही है। कभी कभी ऐसा भी होता है कि जानकारी ना मिलने के कारण बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम्स हो सकती है। जब बच्चा जानता ही नहीं है कि कैसे, कब और कहाँ अपना ध्यान रखा जाए, तो वो उससे लड़ेगा कैसे?
देखिए, बच्चों को पूरी कोरोना वायरस के बारे में जानकारी दी जाती है, लेकिन वो उनको ज्यादा माहिती नहीं दे पाते, क्योंकि बच्चा जो है कोरोना वायरस के बारे में जितना नहीं जानता है, वो उनको सेफ्टी रखने के लिए सारी जानकारी दी जाती है, लेकिन वो उससे ज्यादा बाहर ना निकले, कोरोना वायरस से सेफ कैसे रहे, खुद की वो सेफ्टी कैसे रखे, इस सिचुएशन में उनकी माहिती उनको दी जाती है, लेकिन से डिप्रेस हो जाए ऐसी माहिती उनको नहीं दी जाती।
के जवाब से मैं सहमत हूँ, पर बाकी सारे नेशंस, बाकी सारी कंट्रीज जो अपने बच्चों को पूरी पूरी और सही इंफॉर्मेशन दे रही है, क्या वो कोई गलती कर रही है या कुछ ऐसा है जो उन्हें नहीं करना चाहिए और आप कर रहे हो? क्या ऐसा जरूरी है कि अगर बच्चों को इन्फॉर्मेशन ना दिया जाए तो उन्हें प्रोटेक्ट किया जा सकता है, और दिया जाए तो ना प्रोटेक्ट नहीं होते हैं या डिप्रेस हो जाते हैं?
हाँ, बच्चों को इन्फॉर्मेशन दी जाए तो वो कोरोना वायरस से संक्रमित होने से बच सकते हैं, लेकिन जबकि उनको उसके बारे में ज्यादा बताया जाएगा, छोटे बच्चों को उनके बारे में बताएंगे तो वो उनके बारे में सभी के विचार अलग अलग होते हैं, कोई उसके बारे में ज्यादा सोचेगा तो उनकी वजह से उनकी हेल्थ पे भी असर हो सकता है। इसलिए जितनी दे सकते हैं उतनी इन्फॉर्मेशन उनको इसके बारे में देनी चाहिए, जिससे कि वो सेफ रह सके।
Thank you. Not completely, but yet satisfied with the answer. Thank you, Japan. Thank you.
थैंक यू।
The delegate of Italy would like to extend further support to the delegate of Japan in regards to the information being communicated to external. The most attractive thing Japan has done is the implementations of 3Cs as discussed above, and as per the opinions of delegate of Italy, the delegate or the country of Japan is doing much better in the terms of dealing with the virus, as the number of death or the death rate has sufficiently declined, and it is practicing a soft lockdown, which is recommended, which is highly appreciable.
The delegate of China is satisfied with the delegate of Italy and thus satisfied with the delegate of Japan. Thank you.
The delegate of Italy would like to put forward a question for the delegate of China regarding the ban of its apps in the country of India, due to the ban of 117 apps, and it was said that these apps contained much prohibitive and invocative information, which was prejudicial to the sovereignty of India. जो इंडिया के बच्चों के लिए या जो ये apps यूज करते हैं उनके लिए अच्छा बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं बता रहे हैं. ये आरोप चाइना पे पहले भी बहुत बार लग चुके हैं in relation to Chinese products, which has led to a very efficient economy in the terms of money, but development of people is not as much as expected.
In context to the delegate of Italy, I would like to reply that all the apps being banned in India was not a part of Italy's conversation. Yet, answering that, the apps which were being used is really used in China in the positive manner. The apps like TikTok, Xingbei, etc., are being used for spreading the awareness and information to our people. While talking about India, it is not a part of children's communication or of UNICEF. It is a part of governance of India. The political problems between China and India have been increasing day by day, and it does not affect any children's welfare or children's problem. China has always supported any kind of medium through which India can find solutions for their children as well as our children. We have never differentiated between children of China and India. Yet, the problem that the apps are having problems is just not the problem of apps or the economy. It's also a political problem, which actually means that the politics has played a greater role rather than it being wrong as apps, because the same apps have been used mostly and correctly in China. I hope you are satisfied. Thank you.
As said by China earlier, as a keen observer, Italy wants its children to thrive and pursue higher goals and be of service to the whole world as we are moving towards becoming global citizens. So it is the responsibility of Italy and the governance of Italy to look forward to the matters concerning its children. And it was a very apart from the keeping the political situation aside, it was very shocking for the governance of Italy to just see 117 apps being banished. There must be a reason behind it, and we choose not to ignore all these stuff. It might have happened due to political situations between China and India too. We are not holding back from that. But apart from that, we would like some sufficient explanations on these apps. These apps are not just informative apps. These are mainly entertainment and gaming apps. So we do not see any informative apps being banned like that. We would still hope a better explanation for the same. Thank you.
The delegate of China, not arguing with the delegate of Italy, would like to answer. The apps which were being banned were actually just a political problem, which was faced by India and China due to the borders of China and India. Thus, it does not consider it to be anything more than politics. Yet, the apps which were being used for entertainment is one of the most important factor in every children's life, in every person's life actually, but while we talk only about children's, it is also important in children's life. Many apps and games which were being used were also part of economy, which was not in hands of government or people of India. It is only an economic term, which is, for example, if Reliance of India put something in Reliance of China, it is not the matter of fact of government or UNICEF or United Nations. It is just a company exhibit which is done between two companies and not two nations. The apps which were being used were just a business stuff and not something which is related to the government, the UNICEF. and whatever happened was just because the political boundaries, and as we understand it properly, that it was not something that economy or any other problem were faced. It was just a political matter, because before that, and clearly spoken by Narendra Modi, that I would come back and pierce the world, pierce China for the same, which was when India, when China put forward its borders in India, in the nation of India, it actually got hurt and gave back the answer by deleting the apps. It was not a problem of, and actually, Italy did not delete any of our apps. So if there was a problem, then Italy would have deleted all the apps. Yet answering that it was just a political matter. Thank you.
Thank you for the response.
My next question is to Lisa. There was about 6% unemployment during COVID-19 pandemics. How would Luxembourg fix this out? Luxembourg में 6% तक की अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट हो चुकी थी. इसके बारे में ल्यूजरबर्ग क्या करेगा? Because Luxembourg is a very small nation, so it has to take care of its economy very precisely.
Sorry, but please repeat.
6% तक की अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट, बेरोजगारी हो गई थी ल्यूजरबर्ग में. तो इसके बारे में ल्यूजरबर्ग क्या करेगा? कोविड-19 की वजह से जो नए नए रिफॉर्म्स हुए हैं, लॉकडाउन हुआ है, उसकी वजह से 6% तक की इकोनॉमी आपकी गिर चुकी है, अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट बढ़ चुकी है. तो इसके बारे में आप लोग क्या करने वाले हो आगे, या क्या कर सकते हो?
Yes. Delegate of Luxembourg would like to answer the delegate of China. First of all, the Luxembourg is the most the Luxembourg is the most powerful country in the Europe. I would like to say that Luxembourg is many Luxembourg में बहुत अमीर देश है यूरोप का, वन ऑफ द मोस्ट अमीर देश ऑफ यूरोप. लग्जमबर्ग में हम एम्प्लॉयमेंट जो 6% तक कम हुई है, उसके लिए हमने डेवलपमेंट ऑलरेडी स्टार्ट कर दिया है, और उसके लिए प्रोसीजर भी शुरू हो चुकी है. लग्जमबर्ग would like to, yeah, as the Luxembourg is the small city, जो लग्जमबर्ग है वो छोटा देश है, इसीलिए उसकी अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट जल्दी से हम कम कर सकते हैं. और जैसे ही लॉकडाउन अभी तो अनलॉक हो रहा है, इसीलिए हम जल्दी से जल्दी स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं, और एम्प्लॉयमेंट के लिए भी हम कर रहे हैं प्रोसीजर.
आई एम सेटिस्फाइड विथ योर आंसर, पर अगर आप बस इतना बता सके कि आप क्या मेजर्स ले रहे हैं तो अच्छा, मतलब सही रहेगा.
Yes, the measures, many measures there are, but I would like to say that अनलॉक के बाद हमने फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कंपनीज में एम्प्लॉयमेंट, जो भी हमने एम्प्लॉय कम किए थे, उसे हम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बढ़ाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, और साथ ही में हम कोरोना वायरस की गाइडलाइंस को भी फॉलो कर रहे हैं. और जो भी स्टूडेंट्स हैं, हम उन्हें भी ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा एजुकेशन दे रहे हैं, ताकि वो एम्प्लॉयमेंट को कर सके और अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट कम हो सके. I hope you are satisfied with my answer.
Thank you. The delegate of China is satisfied with the answer of delegate of Luxembourg. Thank you.
So now I request all the delegates to please stop the discussion of unmoderated caucus here, and would request you to discuss for the solution of the problem which each country is facing and pass a resolution for it.
The following points, as discussed by the delegate of Italy before, delegate of Italy would like to present further points for the development of overall development of children during COVID-19 amidst COVID-19. The first thing that should be increased or stressed upon by all the nations is easy and faster availability of all the Medicare, especially in schools due to unlockdown, and more and a special and healthy meal for every child there, along with special councils and counseling sessions for the children facing the who come in close contact with the virus or who have tested positive by mistake, and so that they could be taken under proper care and they can be treated physically and mentally very strong. The delegate of Italy would love to hear from the from other delegates regarding the solution for the same.
Could you please brief back? Could you please brief back what you said?
So my briefing for the first point includes the necessary medical care for children in the schools who are going back to school, and hopefully they get proper medical and proper and immediate medical care, and instant testing as being taken on by Italy for its children, along with proper counseling sessions, which for the students who come in close contact to a person positive for the test, who tests positive or is himself or herself positive for the virus.
My reply to the delegate of Italy is China has already started the schooling process. Thus, we have taken few steps which you might like or recommend to your country, and that is that sanitizing each and every child as they come in. Secondly, the food and food, the classes, the teachers, and all the accessories which they use are also to be sanitized. The children have to wash their hands after every period. The midday meal which they are being given should be full of nutrition. Thus, social distancing is also being maintained by having space between all the children. And I guess this might satisfy your need, and your problems for the schooling might decrease. And we have also uh, back to school campaign was being released, which you could read by. And UNICEF and China has also supported the schooling by teaching the teachers, the childrens, and the parents by giving them brochures and etc. Brochures, posters, etc. about how to take care of the children, how to maintain social distancing, etc. The sanitizing has been the most important part. The sanitizing of the complete school and children is the most important point. I hope it satisfies your need.
Any further
It surely
discussions?
does, and the need Yes, please. It surely does. And the need for having proper norms regarding online teaching is very important. The second point that the delegate of Italy would like to further put forward is in increasing family interactions through virtual calls and video calls as specified in the UNICEF study guide. But apart from that, it should also focus more on having a sensible, not just positive, but sensible attitude towards the virus by increasing increasingly active children, so that once they get back to school, they don't feel left behind, or they don't feel less energetic than they for amidst the activities that they have left for the past 6 months, 8 months, or even a year.
The delegate of China would like to reply to delegate of Italy. We have already started with the sessions, and we have classes, and we have done play group sections, which also could be done digitally. But most of the schools have the video calling facility. Thus, they can appreciate and give activities to children which they could learn from home, like few exercises or few time given for them for mental relief, or for craft, or for uh, practical exercises, etc. We could also help them, if not possible virtually. Those people who are not having this video uh, facility, the answer could be that they could satisfy their needs by talking to parents, and counseling sessions are being held by teachers. The governance of Italy should also make few counseling sessions which tell the parents and concern the parents about how to treat their children amidst COVID-19. And talking about friends and social media, it has not been a less part. uh, uh, Nowadays it has been a trend that even a child of 5-year old can understand how to talk and meet their friends in virtual conversations. Yet physically meeting and physical treatment is very necessary as being social animals. Thus, we can say that a bit relief, as the governance of Japan has given, if Italy gives a bit relief to its people and the schooling authorities, a little bit of physical meet would not cause a great effect. Not saying that meeting people all a lot, but a little bit of meeting might not cause that bad effect. Thank you.
The delegate of Italy feels like all the delegates together, we should come on a resolution about the same. Let's include the points. Some of the few points, or one or two briefs that can be provided from Italy, are more increased counseling sessions by government, or by the teachers themselves, or someone the child cares about, or someone this child is familiar with, and more instant testing, just not like the three normal 3 days testing that we are going through right now, but instant an hour or more, half day testing for children, so that they can be immediately given back to the safety of their parents and families.
Delegate of China has a query about the news which is being spread all over. While staying in one house, there has been circumstances that parents and people around do not really understand how the children have to be treated, or how to take care of their children. And we cannot reach to each and every parent and ask them for becoming a more sensible person or understanding their child. While during this period, the depression and the stress and the boredom which has been caused is uh, also due to the parents who do not take care of their children properly. Does Is there any solution which parents how the parents could be treated or understood, explained, and given rules for treating the children as good as possible? I would like to get opinions of all the delegates.
डेलीगेट ऑफ इटली को लगता है कि फैमिली जो है वो फैमिली वैल्यूज को अब इम्पोर्टेंस ज़्यादा मिलने लग गई है और ये पैंडेमिक का ब्रेक सब पूरे वर्ल्ड को इसकी ज़रूरत थी ताकि सब अपने फैमिली से ऑब्वियसली क्लोज आ सके और डेलीगेट ऑफ इटली को लगता है कि फैमिली वैल्यूज एंड मोटिवेशन फ्रॉम योर लव्ड वंस बच्चों की सेहत के लिए, बच्चों के विकास के लिए, बच्चों की ओवरऑल डेवलपमेंट के लिए उसमें बहुत 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 बड़ा पार्ट प्ले करते हैं। तो डेलीगेट ऑफ इटली को लगता है कि फैमिली वैल्यूज को इम्पोर्टेंस अब इस समय में ज़्यादा देना इम्पोर्टेंट है और जिन लोगों के पास फैमिली नहीं है उनको गवर्नमेंट के हेल्थ केयर या मेंटल केयर फैसिलिटीज या गवर्नमेंट के जो भी प्रोग्राम्स, उनकी रिस्पेक्टिव गवर्नमेंट के जो भी प्रोग्राम्स कंडक्ट करे जा रहे हैं उनसे क्लोज कांटेक्ट में रखना चाहिए, क्लोज कांटेक्ट रखना चाहिए।
Delegates of Luxembourg are totally the delegates of Luxembourg are totally agreed with the delegates of Italy that family इस कोविड-19 की वर्स्ट सिचुएशन की वजह से हम सभी एक साथ रह सकते हैं बाय द मीडियम ऑफ सोशल मीडिया एंड थैंक यू।
I think the delegates of Italy and Luxembourg has misunderstood my point. I was trying to explain that the people all around aren't the same. There are many people who are already suffering from depression, boredom, stress. So how do they treat their children? Like if the person itself is not feeling well, then how would their children be taken care of? And talking about population of China, India, and most of the countries, the most important factor is the health and mental stability of children. If the mental stability of their parents ain't good, they won't be able to handle their children well. In this situation, we cannot blame the parents themselves because they are also facing many problems all around. So, what would be a good and precise manner how the parents and the children both could take care of themselves and as the delegate of Italy said, the family values have to be increased. But what are the family values actually to be put into? Like if the person is not ready to understand what is going on in their life or in their family's life or in their children's life, what would they do for same? I would like to get
The delegate of Italy main point put forward is how do people approach healthcare facilities or how do people approach these facilities when they themselves or when they are themselves are suffering and they are not able to provide comfort to their loved ones. So this point, इस point पे ये रेजोल्यूशन हम ये कंक्लूड ये सोल्यूशन निकालना सबसे वाजिब रहेगा, सबसे सही रहेगा कि जो भी स्कूल फैसिलिटीज हो उसमें जैसे पेरेंट्स इन्वॉल्व हो रहे हैं, टीचर्स को या जो स्कूल मैनेज कर रहे हैं, स्कूल्स को इसमें एक्टिव पार्टिसिपेशन दोनों साइड से एफर्ट आना जरूरी है। यदि स्कूल्स को लग रहा है कि की पेरेंट्स खुद सफर कर रहे हैं और पेरेंट्स खुद अपने बच्चों को खुद अच्छे वैल्यूज इन द सेंस अच्छे उनको इस पैंडेमिक के दौर में भी अपने बच्चों को वो एक स्थिर एक स्टेबल माइंड दे पाए, एक स्टेबल लाइफ दे पाए इस पैंडेमिक की सिचुएशन में भी, ताकि बच्चे ये पैंडेमिक से जब रिकवर हो, जब दुनिया इस पैंडेमिक से रिकवर हो, तो दुनिया जैसे बोला जा रहा है, बच्चे एक लॉस्ट जनरेशन नहीं बन जाए। तो फैमिली वैल्यूज में इंक्लूड वेल डिसिप्लिन्ड रूटीन बच्चों का सेट करना इम्पोर्टेंट है, और बच्चों को अपने साथ अपने आसपास के लोगों से जिन पे वो ट्रस्ट करते हैं, ऑब्वियसली ट्रस्ट एक फर्स्ट बेसिस है, पर जो स्कूल के लोग हैं या जो फैमिली के लोग हैं, उनको बच्चों को जैसे कहा गया है कि इंस्पिरेशनल स्टोरी सुनाना या ऐसी मीटिंग्स रखना जिसमें बच्चों open area of not just imagination but open area of discussion मिल पाए कि बच्चे क्या प्रॉब्लम्स फेस कर रहे हैं, या पेरेंट्स के लिए भी एक ओपन डिस्कशन रखना चाहिए। फ्रीक्वेंट मीटिंग्स नहीं होनी चाहिए, पर जैसे 1-2 महीने में एक बार थोड़े थोड़े पेरेंट्स को बैचेस में कलेक्ट करके ऐसे मीटिंग्स रखनी चाहिए कि पेरेंट्स जो सफ़र कर रहे हैं उनको भी एक मौका मिल पाए मेडिकेयर कंसल्ट करने का।
Satisfied with the answer of Italy? Thank you.
Do all the
So, sir,
delegates agree with the
coronavirus
resolution
is
passed by the Italy? Do all the delegates agrees with the resolution passed by
कि
the
बाकी
Italy?
सब इटली रिक्वेस्ट करेगा डेलीगेट से भी कि वो अपने खुद के कंक्लूजन्स भी इसमें ऐड करना चाहे तो काइंडली पार्टिसिपेट करें।
The delegate of China is satisfied with the delegate of Italy and its resolutions. We have got few more resolutions to put on, like taking care of population, taking care of people like those who have got migrants, like Brazil and Italy itself has got 61,000 unaccompanied refugees. I'm not saying that it has done unwell or has not done justice with its own people, but yet if there is any solution, I would like to say that all the people who are being the migrants of their own country, like Brazil and Italy, those all are productive people. Considering labor for and the managing of labor is really important for a country. While there has been unemployment in the nations, there has also been employment due to COVID-19. There has been increase in many apps developing courses and other stuff like medical centers, and also in other companies like mask making companies or other companies which help in basic needs, or thus I can conclude that all the people who have been migrants of Brazil and Italy should also be taken care of. They should not be neglected and thought of, and there should be space for everyone. And if possible, the management of labor should be done in Italy and Brazil. And there has been migrants in all over country, but all over the world, and all the nations have taken care of them. Thus, not only Italy and Brazil, but all the if any other nation is also there who is not trying to take care of their migrants, they should, because the management of labor is not as difficult as neglecting them, because they become a mere problem if they are being neglected, and the nation's pride and the prosperity also decreases when the population of the same nation is not being taken care of. So I would request and try to ask the delegates of China, Italy, Brazil another nations who have not thought of their migrants to take care of them and try to manage the labor. And if possible, please do understand that human resource is really important for your own nation. And if they are not being managed, they might become the biggest problem the world is facing, because due to overpopulation, the world is already facing many problems, and this might become another one. Thank you.
Do all the delegates agree with the resolution stated?
Yes, we agree with the resolution.
The delegate of China also agrees with all the resolutions.
So shall we end the moderated caucus here?
Yes.
Okay, thank you delegates. You will get your results by joining in a live event at 5:30. You can all leave now. Kindly note that you have to submit the documents before or on or before 5:30, and the link you will get in WhatsApp chat group.
Warm wishes
Thank
to
you.
all the delegates. And if I have heard or spoke something wrong, please do not take it at heart. Do take care of yourselves. Stay safe. Stay home. Thank you.
Thank you.
New and nice experience. So thank you to all together, each other supporting.
Thank you everyone. Please join at 5:30 for the closing ceremony and award ceremony. And note to be taken care of that you have to submit your documents on or before 5:30, and you will get the mail ID on WhatsApp chat group.